Hello everyone! Today I'll show you how to use the smart post blocks into any post, page, or page builder like Elementor, Divi, WPBakery, and more. Let's get started. After installing and activating the Smart Post plugin, you will see the Getting Started page. From here, go to the Saved Templates tab and click Add New. In the template editor, add a title for your template, then select the Gutenberg block you want to use. Customize the block exactly how you want it to appear. Once you're done, click Publish. Next, go back to the Saved Templates tab. Here, you will see your published templates. You can create and save as many templates as you need and simply copy the shortcode of the templates to use them into any post, page, or page builder you want. Now, let's see how to use this template on a page. Open a page on your site and go to the section where you want to display your post. Then, simply paste the shortcode and publish the page. Now, when visitors open your site, they'll see the post template displayed on the page. Next, let's see how to use this template in the Elementor page builder. Open a page in the Elementor editor. Then go to the Widgets panel and scroll down. Here, you will find the Smart Post Saved Template element. Drag it into the section where you want to display the post. From the settings, select the template you want to use, and it will instantly appear on the page. Once everything looks good, click Publish. Now, when visitors open your site, they will see the post template displayed on the page. You can also edit the template or add a new one at any time from the settings panel. The same process works with other page builders like Divi, WPBakery, Oxygen, and other popular builders. And that's a wrap. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out our other tutorials for more helpful tips.